Okay, now, previously Apple had its AirPods and AirPods Pros. Those are completely wireless, and today we have the AirPods Max. This is Apple's first crack at over-the-ear headphones, so we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna unbox it here today and see what it feels like, see what it looks like outside of the package. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical because it's Apple's first crack at this over-the-ear headphone thing. It's a kind of crowded market, but there's always room for improvement. There's always room for bigger and better tech. And Apple being a tech giant that they are, we expect them to come out with the best products. They've done well with all their other audio and music tech, like the AirPods and the AirPods Pro. They sound great. The regular AirPods are ones I use for my everyday use. I work out in them, take calls with them, listen to music in them. They're great. They're great. So we're gonna see what Apple does, not only with how they sound, but the quality, how they feel, how they look. Because we also know that over-the-ear headphones are not just about listening to music. There's an aesthetic to it. It's trendy, it's fashionable, and that's what you got to go with. That's what the market is nowadays. So we're going to see how Apple competes. And they come in at a steep price of $500+. So they better be worth it. So let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. So what we got in the box is the regular little packet that Apple puts in its boxes with its products. Got your AirPods Max manual here. So you open that up, just for the look of it. I don't think many people actually read these things. So, yeah, there's that. Then you have your warranty pamphlet, if that's what you want to call it. We don't have any sticker, which is a little crazy, but I guess there's no room for the sticker. Absolutely no sticker in here. So we're just gonna put all this back, put this off to the side, and we have our charging cable, which is important to have nowadays. It looks like it's USB-C to Lightning. I'm not sure why Apple fights going just completely USB-C sometimes, but it's USB-C to Lightning. So if you bought the iPhone 12 Pro, you have another one, I guess. So let's go ahead and close this up and put this off to the side. And the case, it looks, oh no, this is paper on the case. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, take the paper off. Case is a lot darker than what I would expect with it being space gray. Space gray looks pretty black to me, but it's Apple Space Gray, so that's what we're going to go with. I already like the way these look. I like the dark space gray, like Apple's doing with all these space gray now. Even with the iPhone 12 Pro, it was dark gray graphite. You can already feel the weight on these things. This case feels nice. Put that over to the side. Some paper ear cups inside. Okay, those are just, yeah, that's just paper. They feel pretty heavy, pretty solid. The cups look nice. You can see that mesh at the top of the headband. And like I said, you can still feel the weight on it. And it feels pretty good. It has a digital crown like on the Apple Watch. You can turn the volume up and down with it from what I've seen. It's a button as well. And they feel premium just like any other Apple product. Looks nice from what I can see. They look like quality headphones. I mean, again, it's an Apple product. You expect it to look quality, as most of their products does. So I like the design. It's not a design I've ever seen before. I've never had a pair of headphones over the ear or wireless that were stainless steel and made with this type of material. Most other headphones I've ever used, like Beats, the Sonys, they were plastic. A good quality plastic, but never stainless steel, which is why it pretty much has this much weight on it. But it's still a good design. I like the way it feels and the way it looks. I don't mind the extra weight if it's going to give me quality material, unlike some of the headphones I've had in the past. But it's an adjustable headset as well. You can slide it moving these arms, and it's a very firm slide, as you can see. It's not too loose, but it's not too tight either. It's quality material. Feels like nice mesh up there in the headband. The ear cups are soft. There's no clicking in and adjusting the headset, so it feels good. It looks good. I like the way it looks. I like the ear cups. I definitely like the way this feels. It's very soft and quality. Ear cups are removable. I think I've seen somewhere online where you can actually buy replacement ear cups, which is great because my ear cups on my Beats headphones all ripped up and worn out, and I never really replaced those. But they're magnetic. They come right out and go right back in. These turn easily. The ear cup, the back, it's stainless steel. It's cold to the touch. I will say that. So it is cold to the touch. There goes your charging port right there. Once again, it's Lightning to USB-C. But I can't say anything about the design. I like the design. The headband is great. Seems like it's probably the best headband I've had out of any over-the-ear headphones. Now let's check out this case. This case seems to be some type of leather or faux leather. I'm not quite sure. But it feels nice. Guess you just slide the headphones right in there. Close it up. When you close this, it's supposed to put it in low power mode. So the headphones never actually cut off, but they're supposed to be in low power mode. See, there's an insertion here where I guess you can charge while they're still in the case. Although I don't like this where the headband is exposed in the case and you have to carry it like that. I'd rather the headband be able to fold some sort of way, but it doesn't. So, and this is magnetic. You just open that right up. Other than that, the case isn't really too much. I don't really care for the case, but that's alright. I probably won't be using that much anyways, except when I want to put them in low power mode. But like I said, these adjust easily. It's bendable. Not too bendable where you feel like it might break off or anything like that. But I am impressed with the quality of the headphones. One thing I did notice, there's not any Apple logo on the case or the headphones, which is something different that Apple's doing. They don't really do that where you can't tell it's an Apple product. You can tell it's the Apple product by the quality, but that's about it. So it looks like another good quality headphone by Apple. I'm going to test it out, be putting up a video shortly. Thanks for watching.